Have you ever pondered the true essence of equality in the eyes of the law? What does it mean when we say all are equal before the law? Today, we're delving into the heart of these intriguing questions as we unravel the fabric of Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. In its quintessence, Article 14 is a beacon of fairness, a shield against discrimination, and a guarantee of equal treatment. It's the embodiment of the principle that each individual, regardless of their status, caste, religion, or gender, stands on an equal platform in the eyes of the law. Article 14 in its simplest form stands for two fundamental concepts: equality before the law and equal protection of the law. The former, equality before the law, is an affirmation of the absence of any special privileges in favor of any individual. It negates the idea of a privileged class of people who are above the law. The latter, equal protection of the law, implies that similar situations will be treated similarly. It's a safeguard ensuring that no person or class of persons becomes the victim of hostile legislation. It's the legal system's promise that it will treat like cases in a like manner, ensuring a level playing field for all. Now let's distill the key points about Article 14. Firstly, it upholds the principle of equality, that no person or group of people holds a privileged status. This means that neither the law nor the person implementing the law can discriminate against any person for arbitrary reasons. Secondly, it ensures the concept of equal protection, meaning the same set of laws applies to everyone, irrespective of their background or status. This is not to be confused with absolute equality, as it allows for reasonable classification. However, such a classification must not be arbitrary, artificial, or evasive. Thirdly, while Article 14 allows for classification, such classification must pass the twin test of intelligible differentia and rational nexus. Simply put, there should be a reasonable basis for differentiation and a direct relation to the objectives sought to be achieved by the law. Lastly, remember that Article 14 is not an absolute right. It allows for exceptions, particularly in the case of protective discrimination or affirmative action. This means that laws can be made to protect the interests of socially and economically backward classes, further underscoring the concept of substantive equality. In conclusion, Article 14 is a cornerstone of the Indian Constitution, upholding the ideals of justice, equality, and fairness. It's a testament to the democratic ethos of India, ensuring that the law's scales balance equally for every citizen. It's a promise of equal treatment, a guarantee of non-discrimination, and a commitment to uphold the dignity of every individual. In the grand tapestry of the law, Article 14 shines as a beacon of equality, reminding us that justice is blind to everything but the truth.